Team Forex Moguls, I'm back again with another banging banger. So guys, ngaphandle ukuthi ngichithe isikhathi, ivideo namhlanje izoba very much short. So make sure ukuthi you like, comment down below, subscribe to our channel. We are on the road to 3,000 subscribers, yeah. Guys, njengoba nazi ukuthi isixwayiso sethu as the usual, you can screenshot, you can do whatever, but case it still stands, yabo. Siwakhipha ama-signals, awukho group ofakwa kuyona, siyafundisa kuphela, asiyona i-financial advisor, i-forex i-risk, so kubalulekile ukuthi ke wazi ulwazi before nje ungene udive kuyona. So without wasting isikhathi, let's get into it. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma about izinto eziwu-3, ama-pips, i-lots, i-leverage, right? Now pips nama-lots ne-leverage iwona kahle kahle determine ukuthi how much do you gain or how much do you lose, yabo. That's the first thing that you need to understand. Okokuqala lokho kungenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe ama-analysis akho, yabo, are right, but uma ukuthi uya misunderstand le concept or lama segment or 3, i-account yakho nje bafethu izoblowa, ngoba lezi zinto lezi zibalekile ngale ndlela ungakazi uyibona. So ingakho ngithe lapha need clarity, if not account is at risk, so i-account iyablowa. Let's go straight to main content. So iyini pips? I-pips iyilona, iyi-price kahle kahle ye-movement, a smallest price movement. For i-example ngizowenza umzekelo, ake sithi sithathe i-euro USD and i-price yakhona i-1.1000 and imova to 1.1001 ekugcineni. Lowa 1 osekugcineni ubizwa nge-pip, i-language yakhona le, yabo. Mangase kuthiwa i-math ngathiwa i-units, yayizwa lona. So iyona pip esikhuluma ngayo ke leyo, yabo. Leyo pip le iyona ekwazi ukumeasure i-profits or i-loss yakho. Ake ngiyitype la mhlambe izolo e.g. So let's say euro slash USD, right, from 1.00 asisho to 1.001. Le pip lo 1 lo is actually, okay, sorry, it's actually called 1 pip. One pip engikhuluma ngawo lo, right? That is a pip. Iyona movement le engikhuluma ngayo, right? I hope ni clear. Then mase siza kwi-lots. I-lots kusuke ku-size we-trade yakho. Ngamanye amazwi ikanje lento. Kunama uthi ngithi e.g. la futhi kunama types of lots awu-3. Kufike kube standard lots, right, which is 100. Mase kuba i-mini lots, which is 0.10. Mase kuba i-micro lots, hayi lo last number, which is 0,001. Uma sengifaka u-0 abaningi. 0,01. Now lento le iyona ekwazi ukuthi ik-understandise one thing, ukuthi the bigger i-lot size you have or you put, the bigger the profits. Kanti futhi ke the bigger the profits, the bigger the loss. You understand? If ever mhlambe let's say ya reject, it's chai, yabo, it's chai, kuyaphela ngawo, yayibona. So it's a bit risky ngaleyo ndlela, but yona inama rewards awo ukuthi yabo nje moyi neshow ngempela ngetrade yakho, hayi uyakwazi ukuthi ube right, uyayishaya nje imali esile. But ke if i-reversal, hawu kuyabheda futhi nakhona. So that is our lots. Then mase kuzoba khona into ekuthiwa i-leverage, guys. Leverage i-leverage iyona ekunikeza i-ability yokuthi ukwazi ukutrader imali eningi than nale osuke uyifakile. You understand? Let's say ufaka u-$10, but lo $10 wakho because of i-leverage uyakwazi ufaka i-lot size ewu 0,15 instead of 0,10. You understand? Ik-allowa leyo leverage yokuthi ukwazi ukuthi ufake more than what you have in your account. Yabo? I-leverage ke into eyenza ngayo ukuthi i-powerful, but hey, it's very dangerous, guys. It's very dangerous. So you need to know and understand the consequences and ubone ukuthi uyisebenzisa at what stage. Yabo? Thina ke senza ama-fundamentals, yabo. Siya understand ngeke uzuyisebenzise nje just nje technicals kuphela. Ama-technicals bakhona bakwazi ukwenza kodwa hayi thina ke hayi ngala ziyakhala. But ke that is the main thing ebengifisa ukuyidlulisa about these three things. Nanokuthi ke these are the tips that you need to understand. Ukuthi as a beginner you need to start with a small lot size like 0,01. Yabo? Ufake i-lot size encane mfethu and ubuild gradually. You understand? And another thing, number 2, i-leverage. I-leverage yakho uma inkulu kakhulu obviously izosheshe imashise nje i-account yakho yaphela. Same time, no, ngiblowile. Uzozwa besho njalo. Yahamba straight. Yabo, yaphela nje indaba yayo. Then ke which is the last one, i-profits. Ama-profits, i-profit encane guys, it's still a profit. Profit is still profit. Whether ngisho noma kuthiwa incane ngani, i-profit i-profit, you gained. So don't be embarrassed and don't be in the rush of making ama-million. Uyafunda, it's a career lento. It's a career. It's not a sprint, it's a career. Yabo. So guys, that's all I have for you namhlanje. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below. Mawukuthi ke you have questions or comments, make sure guys ukuthi ke niyakhomenta and then la unga understand khona. Danko.